Hello and welcome back to our channel, Learn English Together. Today, we will listen to a simple conversation about two friends spending time at a small coffee shop after work. This story is made for English learners, so I will speak slowly and clearly to help you understand more easily. Please don't worry if you do not understand every word. Just relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the conversation. Before we start the conversation, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully and try to find the answer while you watch the story. Here is today's question. What dessert does Emma want to eat at the coffee shop? You will hear the answer during the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments in English. Even a short sentence is great practice for your English. All right, are you ready? Okay, let's start the story.
Oh, wow. I'm really tired today.
You look exhausted. Was work busy?
Yes, very busy. I've been working since this morning.
Same here. I didn't even take a real break today.
Me neither. I think I need coffee.
Coffee sounds amazing right now.
I just want to sit down and relax for a little while.
That sounds like a good idea.
Do you know any nice coffee shops near here?
Actually, yes. There's a small cafe near the train station.
Really? Is it far from here?
No, not at all. It's only a few minutes away.
Perfect. Let's go there.
Great. Let me grab my jacket first.
Okay, I'll get my bag.
All right, I'm ready.
Me too. Let's go get some coffee.
Here we are. This is the cafe I was talking about.
Oh, it looks really nice from outside.
Yes, and the inside is even better.
Let's go in.
Sure.
Wow, this place is so cozy.
I told you, it's a very relaxing cafe.
It smells so good in here. I can smell fresh coffee.
And look at the lights. They're warm and soft.
The music is nice too. It's very calm.
I like places like this.
Me too. Oh, look at these cakes near the counter.
They look delicious.
And the sandwiches look fresh.
There are many people here today.
Yes, but it's still quiet and comfortable.
Let's find a table.
How about that one near the window?
Perfect. I love sitting by the window.
These chairs are really comfortable.
And the table is very clean.
I already like this place a lot.
Same here. Okay, let's look at the menu.
Wow, they have so many drinks here.
Yeah, there are lots of choices.
Let me see. Coffee, cappuccino, latte, espresso.
They also have tea and hot chocolate.
Everything sounds good.
What do you think you'll order?
I'm not sure yet. Maybe a latte.
A hot latte or an iced latte?
I think I want something cold today.
An iced latte sounds nice.
Yes, especially because it's warm outside.
That makes sense.
What about you?
I want hot coffee.
Just regular coffee?
Yes, I like simple black coffee.
Really? No milk or sugar?
Nope, I like strong coffee.
I can't drink black coffee. It's too strong for me.
A lot of people say that.
I like coffee with milk and a little sugar.
That's good too. Everyone likes different things.
That's true.
Are you hungry too?
Actually, yes. I didn't eat much lunch today.
Same here. Let's get something to eat.
The chocolate cake looks amazing.
It really does.
I think I want a piece of cake.
Good choice. I'm thinking about getting a sandwich.
The sandwiches look very fresh.
Yeah, and I'm really hungry right now.
Then you should definitely get one.
Okay, a sandwich and a hot coffee for me.
And an iced latte with chocolate cake for me.
Okay, I'll go order for us.
Are you sure?
Of course, it's no problem.
Thank you. That's very kind.
Hi, can we order please?
Of course. What would you like today?
One medium iced latte, please.
Sure. Would you like any sugar in that?
Yes, just a little.
Okay. One medium iced latte with a little sugar.
And one medium hot coffee.
Would you like milk or sugar with the coffee?
No, thank you. Just black coffee.
Got it. Anything to eat?
Yes, please. One chicken sandwich and one piece of chocolate cake.
Great choice. The chocolate cake is very popular today.
Nice.
Is that everything?
Yes, that's all.
For here or to go?
For here, please.
Perfect. Your total is $14.
Okay, here you are.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Please have a seat. We will bring your order soon.
Great. Okay, everything is ordered.
Nice. I'm excited for my latte.
And I'm excited for my sandwich.
Oh, here comes our food and drinks.
Finally. I'm so hungry.
Your coffee smells really good.
Yeah, it smells amazing.
Be careful. It looks very hot.
I know. I'll wait a little.
I'm going to try my iced latte first.
How is it?
It's really smooth and cold.
Is it sweet?
Just a little. It tastes perfect.
That's great.
Okay, now let me try the cake.
I want to know if it's good.
Wow, this cake is delicious.
Really?
Yes, it's soft, sweet, and very rich.
That sounds amazing.
You should try some later.
I will. But first, let me try my sandwich.
How is it?
The bread is very fresh.
And the chicken?
Really good. Everything tastes fresh.
I'm glad you like it.
Do you want to try a little?
Sure.
Here you go.
Oh, wow. You're right. This sandwich is excellent.
And now I want to try your cake.
Of course.
That is really good.
Right?
I understand why it's popular.
Everything here is so nice.
Yeah, the drinks are good, the food is good, and the atmosphere is relaxing.
I'm really happy we came here today.
Me too. I already want to come back again.
I feel so much better now.
Same here. This break was a really good idea.
The coffee shop is so peaceful.
Yeah, I like the atmosphere a lot.
And everything was delicious.
Definitely. My coffee was strong and fresh.
And my iced latte was perfect for a warm day.
The sandwich was great too.
And that chocolate cake was amazing.
Next time I want to try one of the muffins.
Oh yes, the muffins looked really good.
Maybe I'll try a cappuccino next time too.
Isn't a cappuccino the drink with more foam?
Yeah, I think so.
Then I want to try one someday.
We should come back next week.
I'd love that.
Maybe after work again?
Sounds perfect.
There are still so many things on the menu we haven't tried.
That's true. I also want to try their tea sometime.
And maybe the cookies too.
Yes, the cookies looked delicious.
Honestly, I don't want to leave yet.
Me neither. I could stay here all evening.
Unfortunately, we still have work to do.
Yeah, you're right. Okay.
Okay, should we go?
Okay. But let's come back again soon.
Definitely.
All right. Back to work.
Back to work.
How was the conversation? I hope this listening practice helped you improve your English little by little. Now, let me ask today's question one more time. What dessert did Emma choose at the coffee shop? Did you find the answer? If you know the answer, please write it in the comments in English. Even one short sentence is wonderful practice. Thank you very much for listening with me today. On this channel, you can enjoy easy English conversations for listening and speaking practice. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more slow English listening practice. All right, that's all for today. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye, everyone.